Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to kick off a brand new series, part 1 of OpenAI Codex. This tool is set to revolutionize the way we code, and I'm here to break it down for you in a couple of minutes. What is OpenAI Codex? OpenAI Codex is an AI model developed by OpenAI that translate natural language into code. It's pre-built on top of OpenAI GPT technology and fine-tuned specially for programming tasks. Codex powers tools like GPT Copilot enable the developers to write a code using English prompt. So the first, let's talk Codex, the powerhouse, and how it's turned plain English into the code like it's nothing. So the reason it's fine tuned with massive code datasets. It's like an upgraded GitHub Copilot, but better with Codex. You can track legacy frameworks where Copilot might struggle. Here is the magic: you write a prompt in natural language, and Codex spins up isolated Docker contains of OpenAI infrastructure. It clones your repo, grabs the dependencies, write the code, test it, run it, even create a pull request for you to review. And it works offline. Just install npm, add your open API key, and it's understand your entire code base. That's crazy, right? So what it makes amazing, it's zero data retention. That's right. Your data isn't stored unless if you wanted it to be. If you can opt out and nothing gets saved in your OpenAI Studio. Plus, it's not used trying their models for privacy. That's a huge. Codex also supports many languages: Python, Java, Go, PHP, C++. You name it, it handles the code generation, completion, explanation, even translation. Whether you are working on a modern or legacy code, Codex has your back, and it's such a productivity booster. Now let's bring the Husky because this combo is unbeatable. Husky is ultimate GPT hook tool that automate your workflows like a pro. You install with npm, set up the .husky folder, and it looks like pre-committed. Run your npm test, so your code is always clean before you commit. Imagine the Codex is generating your code, Husky is making it sure it's linting and tested before it's on your repo. It's a dream team. I love Husky keeps everything smooth, no more messy commits. It's just pure efficiency. And quick heads up, the Codex isn't flawless. It's code generator. You have got to review its output. There might be a bugs or duplicate code, especially with proprietary stuff. So keep it that human oversight tight. Also for teams, that's game changer. But only if you set up a solid prompt library to guide it. It will save you so much of time and lower barrier for the new developers. But always double check before pushing the production. Trust me, this duo of Codex and Husky will take you coding to the next level. I'm pumped for part 2. We will even explore the Codex open source funding program. If you are as hyped as I am, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech awesomeness. Thanks for watching. You guys, see you in next video.